Hi, Rachel. You're always cooking for others, and I was wondering, what's the best meal that someone made for you recently, and who was it?
Anne Burrell made me a birthday party. I haven't had a party like the party she threw for me since I was literally a child. She made a beautiful cake. She made gorgeous roast chicken sitting on a bed of fennel and baby potatoes with sweet sausage and fennel, and the roast chicken's up on top with the pan juices past the table. She made homemade ricotta. She's milk, heavy cream vinegar, and you make the ricotta and strain it, and then she put it on toast with cherry tomatoes and corn. She is delightful. I adore my chef, Anne. And in my telephone, Anne is listed as AB-top female rock star. Oh.